water brushes are convenient and great for creating sketches and art on the go. And they come in handy when I don't want to spend lots of time setting up to work on my artwork. Today I wanted to give you a quick look at how to use them, how easy they are to use, and I also wanted to share something that I learned the hard way and give you some tips on how to maintain them so that they'll last and you can use them for as long as possible. I have a pretty decent sized collection of water brushes. The first ones I'm showing are from Dollar General, and this one is a special one. It has a cartridge inside that I can use for inks or other fluid media, but mostly I just use it for water with my watercolors. This is a set of Niji water brushes. I think I'm saying that right. They're one of my favorite sets. I like the variety of nibs or brush sizes. They work really well, and I just wanted you to see the difference in the brush sizes of the other water brushes too. I got set up at the sink so I can show you how I fill them. You just twist off the top. I think it's counterclockwise, and then some of them have a little suction type of thing inside, but the ones I use most, you just fill up the barrel and you leave a little bit of a space at the top and you reattach the brush top. I'm just squeezing the sides of the barrel to wet the watercolor pans in the palette. What I like about the less expensive water brushes is the ease of use. The barrel, for some reason, is very soft on them, so it's easy for me to squeeze. Here I'm just using them to swatch out some of the colors to show the width of the brush and the size of the marks I can make with the brushes. After you use the water brushes, you can clean them easily by squeezing the sides of the barrel, allowing the water to flow through the tip, and then wiping the tip of the brush off on a towel or a paper towel. I decided to give you a little bit of a closer up look here at how they work and how I clean off the tip of the brush. So I think you can see it a little bit better. You just squeeze the sides so that the clear water flows through the tip of the brush, and then you just swipe it across the paper. Some colors are easier to clean out of the tips, in my opinion. I think much darker colors are more difficult, like reds and dark blue, and also darker neutral colors. But the lighter colors, the yellow ochre, if I just push just a little water through the tip and swipe it across the towel, it comes clean quite quickly. So one of the most important things I learned the hard way is to make sure I empty out the barrel of all the water that's inside after I'm finished painting. I've forgotten sometimes and ended up having some kind of weird smell in my brush and having to take it apart and clean it up. But once I learned, like, listen, empty them out at the end of your painting session, lay them out to dry in one of the trays. I didn't have that problem anymore, and my brushes seem to be lasting me much longer. I hope you found this video helpful if you like to use water brushes or if you're curious about how to use them. Thank you for joining me in this week's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and I'll see you next time.